Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set flip to mute in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Suppose if you are receiving incoming call and your phone will be ringing, the sound will be ringing in your phone. Okay, if you would like to mute this incoming call sound, what you can do is just you can flip your phone, okay, so that it will be mute. Okay, now I am going to set how it works. Okay, first go to this call button and go to this three vertical dots, click on settings here, and here select flip to silence. Okay, just to turn on this button so that to silence an incoming call, place your phone face down on a flat surface. Okay, now I am making a call from another number to check it out, and see here I am receiving this call and the phone is ringing. To mute this call, what I have to do is over the flat surface, see here, consider this cover as flat surface and just uh, put your phone face down. See here, it is muted. Okay, now call is muted. Okay, so in this way you can easily mute incoming call by flipping your phone in your phone Samsung Galaxy, sorry, Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.